How to apply for Medicaid in Texas. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can apply for Medicaid in Texas. To apply, the first thing to do is to open your web browser and then go ahead and type in Texas Health and Human Services. Once you type that in, you'll be taken to the Texas Health and Human Services page, just like you can see here on my screen. And then the next thing to do is move over to the menu below the logo, this menu over here, and click on Services. Once you click on Services, a drop-down menu will appear, and then go ahead and select Mental Health and no Health, yeah, Health. Health is located below Food and next and above Mental Health and Substance Use. Just click on Health, and yeah, once you click on it, wait for it to load. Now, once it has loaded, you'll be brought to another web page that has to do with health. So on this page, just go through it and select the one you want to register for. If it's kidney health care, Medicaid and CHIP, or Medicare, whichever one. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we'll be clicking on Medicaid since that is what you want to register or apply for. Just click on Medicaid and CHIP. Then after that, ensure you wait for it to load. Then you'll be brought to the Medicaid and CHIP page. Then on this page, you can see the programs and services available for children and families, foster care, youth, women, depending on the one you want. And then this by the left side of the right side of the screen, sorry, you'll see resources for members. So just click on the one you want to register for. I clicked on children and families. All right. Then once you click on it, you'll be taken to the programs for children and families page. Now on this page, you can see what can we help you find. I am a low income parent and needed for my child. So you can, if you want to learn more about Medicaid for children, you can just click on this. But if you're not interested, just go ahead and click on apply for Medicaid. So once you click on apply, you'll be directed to another page where you'll be asked to fill in details whatsoever. Just ensure that you read the on-screen instructions properly, and then once you read it properly, just go ahead and carry out and register for Medicaid. So this is how you can apply for Medicaid in Texas. So easy and simple. Thanks for watching.